Have you ever walked through a city and thought, something's just off? The buildings are there, the people should be there, but somehow, the city just feels dead. Hello, I'm Archimind, and today we're digging into why our cities feel so empty, and more importantly, how we can bring them back to life. It's not about population. It's not just about money. Dead cities happen when we forget what makes humans feel alive in public spaces. Here's what I mean. Zoning gone wrong. Separating homes, shops, and work means people have to travel everywhere just to live life. You end up with silent business districts by 6 p.m. and deserted suburbs all day. Overscaled design. Giant glass buildings with no street-level activity. It's intimidating. Unwelcoming. It's like we've built cities for cars and not conversations. Lack of public space. No benches, no shade, no places to be. It's like if you're not buying something, you're not meant to stay. Culture is missing. The local character gets erased. Chain stores replace community spaces. Art? Gone. Story? Forgotten. But here's the good news. Dead cities can come back to life. Mix it up. Mixed-use neighborhoods bring homes, cafes, libraries, and small businesses into the same space. People linger. They connect. Design for human scale. Think walkable streets. Ground floor activity. Windows you can see into. Streets that invite you in, not push you out. Public space is priority. From small pocket parks to community benches. Give people reasons to stay. Add trees. Add light. Create joy. Celebrate culture. Local murals. Food markets. Cultural events. Cities thrive when people feel seen in them. Look at cities like Copenhagen, Medellín, even parts of Sheffield. They're bringing life back by putting the people first. Dead cities aren't just boring. They're a symptom of deeper design choices. But when we fix those, we create spaces that invite community, connection, and culture. At the end of the day, it's simple. Build for people, and the city comes to life. Now I want to hear from you. What's the most dystopian city space you've been to? And what would you change? Drop it in the comments, and if you're into this sort of content, hit like and subscribe. This has been Archimind, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.